important topic. So let's first write the heading conditioners. So what are conditioners, you may ask? So like we have the decision making ability, but computers don't have. That is obvious. Like we are not going to school if it rains because we may fall sick, but we will go to school obviously if it does not rain. So these are the decision, but computer can't give, so we have to write for it. So let me teach you conditioners. So if we can write like this, and elif, and also else, like this. And guys, we have to give tab, or if there is an id, it gives automatically for you. It's very smart. Okay, so these are the indentations. Okay guys, you have to always give this. Okay, so like this you have to write. And if agar in Hindi, elif is agar magar, and else is वो नहीं हुआ तो ये. Okay, age equals, like I want to give input. Input means the prompt that we want to take from the user. Okay guys, write your age. Why it is going? Okay, now it's finished. And this is known as typecasting. Okay guys, typecasting means we want to, like, if there is an output of string, we can convert this into like integer value, the data type, as I've explained you. Okay, so if, and okay, we have to always give a case for if and elif. So for if I am writing age is greater than, lesser than I want to write first, lesser than 18, then I want to write print your age. Okay, you cannot drive, because I want to make a program of not driving, means driving license of which age. Okay, you cannot drive because we are lesser than 18. Okay, for elif also the case, as I told you, we have to write the case. Age is like lesser than, so I want to write age is greater than. We want to write age is greater than anything invalid age, like 120. Okay, greater than 120 equals. Okay guys, I want to give equals, because see guys, greater than equals, because if someone writes also 120, it will also be invalid. Okay guys, print invalid age. And for else, we can write you can drive. So let's run the code. 50, you can drive obviously. 120, invalid age. 122, invalid age. And also 1, you cannot drive. Okay guys, so this is how conditioners work. And guys, in the next video I will teach you about typecasting. So thank you guys, bye.